Brian Chipman.
And I'm Brandon Brown.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of Arborist News Network. Brandon, what are we going to cover today?
Boxwood Blight. It's bad.
How bad is it?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's go live to the field with Brian Gray and his special guest. Brian?
Thanks, Brandon. I'm here with Jordan Franklin from the Clemson Extension Agency. Jordan, tell us what you do.
I'm the consumer horticulture agent for Greenville County. So basically, if homeowners have questions about plants or insects or diseases, different things going on in their yard and their home, they can come and ask us questions. We try to help them out.
Okay. Speaking of that, we do have a new disease in the upstate called Boxwood Blight. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, Boxwood Blight is a very new disease, actually. In our area, there's only been 2 confirmed cases in South Carolina, one in the lower part of the state, and we've had 1 confirmed case in the upstate. It's a very severe disease of boxwood. If you have that, it's going to kill it. I mean, it's a death sentence basically for boxwood.
So what would homeowners be looking out for with this?
It has some similarity to some other diseases that boxwoods get. So some of the things that differentiate it from the other diseases are circular spots on the leaves, how it starts out, and then there'll be black lesions on the stems, and then you get complete dieback of the plant.
You mentioned some other diseases there. What other diseases affect boxwoods?
Well, there's a Volutella blight that looks very similar, and then leaf miners, spider mites, some different types of insects can cause some similar damage, but boxwood blight is pretty specific. As if you got it, there are some very telling signs.
Okay. What can a homeowner do to know that they have it or know that they don't have it?
Well, the first thing they probably want to do is contact Extension or our Clemson regulatory staff. They can come out and take some samples and test them to be sure that they actually do have boxwood blight. Boxwood blight is very easy to pass from plant to plant. They've got very sticky spores, so even if you just walk through the boxwoods and it gets on your clothes, you can transfer it to some other boxwoods. Wow. So you probably be careful about that.
Okay. So what can homeowners do to treat that?
Well, once the plant has boxwood blight, it's pretty much, there's no curing it. The best thing that you can do is the sanitation, just keeping boxwood blight out of your landscape to start with. Be very observant when purchasing plants from nurseries. Make sure you don't see any kind of disease symptoms and that sort of thing, because once you get into your landscape, it's going to be very hard to get rid of.
Okay. When you say sanitation, what do you mean?
Just looking for healthy, clean plants. Not bringing diseased plants into your home landscape. Leave those at the nursery and let somebody else buy them, type thing. So.
Okay. Well, thanks, Jordan, for talking with us today, and we really appreciate what you do for us.
Thank y'all for stopping by.
Back to you, Brandon.
Man, that does sound bad. Brandon, is there anything that can be done to help protect these plants?
Your local arborist could come out and give you a prescription, make sure you have it to start with, and then prescribe some disease control applications as well as nutrient applications to help better the plant.
It sounds like boxwoods need a lot of help in general. So even if they don't have this boxwood blight, they probably should be working with a local arborist anyway, right?
Absolutely. I suggest you call your local arborist.
Guys, it's been another exciting episode of Arborist News Network. See you next time.